This is my 2015 Chevy Spark. Took a hit in the front end. Of course, this radiator support needs replaced, along with the radiator and the condenser. So I need to tear this apart and put those back in, get it, well, tear them apart, see if it runs, and then start putting it back together. It needs both fenders, a hood, that support, the condenser and the radiator, and the cold air box, which I'll probably get an aftermarket one, and then the front end here, and I think 4 of the airbags. The curtain side airbags and the driver's airbag, and the knee airbag on that driver's side need replaced. And I'm sure the seat belts probably need to be sent off and rebuilt. But yeah, there's some debris down in there. But car looks straight. I mean, it doesn't look like there's any damage to any of these rails. So, I mean, that looks good. And the radiator, it doesn't look like it pushed into the motor. So if I either change the battery or put some power to it, it should start up. Anyway, this is the carnage on this one. I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. I need to replace the fenders, the nose, and the hood, and a bunch of other assorted pieces. But it's, other than airbags, it's all right here in the front. And just a matter of disassembling it. So I'll get to that soon. Thanks for watching.